Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Sci-Fi Author here. Today it's a quick video, man. So as we're doing all these creating books in the Photoshop, the InDesign, the animation, you name it, whatever program you like using, because after all it gets a little difficult. So I was lacking power when I would try to especially when I was recording. When I wanted to record, I was doing on desktop and record on the camera. This is my I'm actually recording on my A6100 Sony camera. I'm recording on let's say I have OBS running along with the any type of program or any type of gaming or anything that I was doing. The camera would always cut off, and I tried everything. I went to YouTube, I went everywhere. I went into forums. The fixes were not quite working. I'm still having issues. I actually thought it was the Camlink at first, and I'll show you my Camlink. The Elgato Camlink. This is pretty much the only. They're dominating, by the way. This is the only thing that you can really use. There's some things out there that you can use for streaming, but this is by far the best of the best. So I was like, man, I would feel it was getting hot. So I couldn't figure out the issue. So then I realized it dawned on me, wait a minute, I only still had 16 gigabytes of RAM in my computer, and I'm going to show you this. So what I did was I went about the same sticks that I had. I bought these two more of the Vengeance Corsair 8 gigabyte RAM DDR 3200 megahertz. So this is going to bring my total to 32 gigs, and hopefully this will help me. This will fix my problem. Hopefully this will fix my problem. But here, I'm going to show you guys my setup. So as you can see, that needs to be cleaned. That definitely needs to be cleaned out. Here, I know you guys can see. Let me give you some. That definitely needs to be cleaned out. I still have my GeForce GTX 1080, which I originally built with this computer. Also my power supply, Evanga Supernova 750 watt, which is pretty. That thing's pretty sturdy. I have not touched. I have not had any power issues whatsoever with that. And I also have the I don't know if you can see my gaming, but you'll see once I boot up. So I'm going to put these sticks in here so that way we can get this thing booted up so you can see how it looks when it's cut on. Okay guys, here's a better look at this build, and as you can see, there's a lot of dust right there that needs to come out of there. So we're really gonna clean that, because honestly guys, I haven't been taking care of this like I should have. I already got one of my Corsair sticks out, so I'm just gonna remove this. I'm just gonna get these cleaned up. These are the new Vengeance sticks, Corsair Vengeance sticks that I have. Like I said, they're DDR4 8 gigabyte RAM sticks. So that'll bring me up to a total of 32. Sorry, I'm not a scientist, but no, they're not quite the same, but they are. They deliver the same performance. These are actually newer. They don't sell these anymore, but these are the same thing. All right. So let's get that cleaned off. That could be a lot of issues. That could be causing a lot of issues. I can see that causing a lot of problems down in the long run, especially with me. It's going to be getting used heavily now. So we're going to get that cleaned up. All right. So I noticed I have a lot of dust going on here in my fan that covers my CPU. So I wanted to show you guys this. That's just entirely too much dust. So what I do is I put a towel down right here, and I got a toothbrush, and I'm gonna scrape all that out with. It's dry. It don't use it, vibrates, and we're gonna get all that dust out. I know you can use an air blower, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna kind of go off with what beforehand. So. See, now you can see it real close. That's what it looks like now. It was caked on there. That's not even all of it. It's not even everything, but because I blew some of it out. But yeah, now it's time to install the sticks. They're gonna go right there into those slots. So, all right, just like anything else computer related, you tend to run into these problems that are pretty much, you know, they're coming. It's the inevitable, and it's gonna happen, especially when you're dealing with computers. So here's what I got so far. See, I installed them at first, but these two in the middle were not lighting up. The other two don't have any lights on them, so it's kind of just like looking at them, knowing that they're working, but when I installed them and I would try to cut on my PC, the display wasn't coming on. So what I had to do was I rearranged the sticks, and now they're actually working. And as you can see, if I go to my PC, hit properties, there you can see the 32 gigabyte RAMs installed. So down there, everything. No, they don't have to be the same brand. If it fits, it works. It's plug and play. Most all this stuff is plug and play. Anyway, it usually just don't turn out that way. Why, I don't know. So I'm gonna finish setting this up and plug the rest of my monitors in. Hopefully everything is a-okay when it fires back up. So see you in a bit.
Your camera's the opposite way.
YouTube, what it do? I want to shoot a rap song now.
Your face wasn't showing when you said that. It was just not.
What is showing? What?
Nope. You was behind the mic. You gotta watch that.
YouTube, what's up?
That's what you're gonna be doing? You look like it.
What up? What up?
When you give your parents the phone, they put their glasses on, they can't see the meme.
Let me see that.
You ever go, who is that?